Are you frustrated with your current IT provider and their lack of response? What if you had a company that could guarantee a 60-second response time? Here at Impress Computers, we've been providing IT support for the past 20 years, and we can provide you with world-class IT support to you right here in Katy and Houston. So if you want to come in and sit down with us at our conference room, or we can come to you, we can go over all your IT needs, whether they are networking or full managed IT support. We are here for you. You can reach us online at impresscomputers.tech, or you can reach us at Facebook at Impress Computers. Give us a call at 281-647-9977.